Today we're going to do something different. We're going to have a little bit of what? A little bit of fashion. Are we excited? I am. Hello, my darling Fumination. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed, my darlings. Are we living and loving for the monochrome cream? Well, it is spring, and I just thought, let's do something fresh. The entire outfit is by Reese. I love Reese because I'm a tall girly, so they really have, for my long torso, they have long trousers. It's just so easy. It really is easy. Look at me getting up now. I have a t-shirt underneath this just to keep it copacetic because of the girlies, you know. And then you have this beautiful skirt here that is rouged, and so I just opened it up. Let me just turn it in the center like this. So I just opened it up so that you can see the rouging, and it's just so fluid, and then it's nipped in the bag so that it gives you a lovely nice shape. And this is, my darlings, my lunch outfit. I am living and loving. I'm cleaning up my knees, so I'm very confident to show a little bit of leg. And yeah, mama, things are picking up in this 56-year-old body. I pulled my hair back with none other than Healthy Hair Studios Mighty Moisture, which I live and love.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking here.
We are having a meet and greet. We are having the most fabulous, the most wonderful Summer Splash Fumination meet and greet on the 20th of July here in London, United Kingdom at the Novotel Hotel in Hammersmith. We are going to have goodie bags. I will be updating this event on a weekly basis just to include all of the brands that are going to be coming. We have special guests, my darlings. Oh my God. And the event is going to be from 1 to 6. And darlings, for the first time ever, you are going to have an exclusive to my brand. I am so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to be there. We are also going to have vendors. We have fashion. We have style. And for those of you that are coming from different countries, get in touch with Sabali Travel. They will book your flights for you. They will book your hotel rooms for you. They are the absolute best, and they booked for Fumination last year. We're going to take pictures together. We're going to have a fabulous lunch. We're going to have fabulous cake, fabulous drinks, music, dancing. There are going to be giveaways. There are going to be prizes to be won. There is so much going to be going on. It's really an extravaganza. It is the Fumination extravaganza, and all of the brands that I love for my skin, for my hair, Healthy Hair Studio, it's going to be there. The makeup, it's going to be there. All the sweets and all the treats. It's an extravaganza. It's going to be a day to remember. And yes, my darling, it's a family occasion, so the children can absolutely come. Absolutely come. We are going to have fabulous day, and it's going to be on a Sunday. On a Sunday, my darlings. So come along, come with the family, and be ready to be entertained. Get ready to be motivated. Get ready to be inspired with the special guests that we have. It is going to be like no other. And I did this especially for you, to show my gratitude for all that you have done for me all of these years. You're going to live for it. Tickets are below. See you there, my darlings. The tickets are flying. The vendors flying. The tickets are flying. So get yours. So why are we here? Well, as a lot of you know, it was my birthday. April is my birthday month. I was born on the 16th of April, 1969 in Moscow, Russia. Yes, I was. My parents were studying there at the time. And so my wonderful, 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 wonderful husband, he knew that my eyes were zeroed in on this beautiful bag that I saw first on the coach runways. And I was like, oh wow, I live for it. It really reminded me of the purse that my mom had when I was a young girl. I still have another Kisslock little purse that I carry around. Is it in here? Oh, I hope it is here. Let me check. Matter. Anyway, I had this beautiful little tiny pink Kisslock purse and I absolutely loved it. So he said, okay, let me see what I can do and I'm going to get something for you. And I said, all right. Then I saw the bag on Sarah Jessica Parker and I saw the colors for the Coach bag in pink. On the runway, I saw mint green, then I saw it in black and I saw it in brown. But you know that I am a bright color girly. So I was really rooting for the mint green or the pink. Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. When I tell you, Ula came through. Ula came through and we have the most beautiful, beautiful. What color do you think it is? What color do you think it is? Ta-da! Beautiful pink Kisslock Coach bag. And I just screamed. I was like, oh, wow. Oh, wowee. I just lived and loved it. When I tell you, I screamed. I said, Ula, I will give you cookies for the remainder of April. That's all I'm going to say. I said I will give you the cookies. Thank you, baby. Baby, when I tell you, I lived and loved it. I love pink. I think that brighter colors can brighten up autumn and winter months, and I just think that it is such a splash of fabulosity when it comes to the spring and summer months. And it is a gold rimming all around, and I'm going to put some images up because you will see that it has Coach right onto the balls as well. It is so beautifully stitched and done. It is leather on the outside as well as the inside. Let me just open it for you so that you can see. And then of course we've got the strap, so let's put that on. I will say though, I do wish that the strap was crossed over. The strap hangs only on one side so that it's like this, but maybe they did that because you have to open it. But I think it would have been nice if it was just over so that you had it like this. But nevertheless, I live and I love it on one side, so it opens up like this, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. Can you see? And I'll take better pictures so that you can see it. There you go. That's the best I can get to it. And I love the space in it. I have my computer here so that I'll show you what it can take in. Voila, look at that. Is that not amazing? So it's a very, very big bag, of which I love. Why for me? Because I'm around during the day in the city, and so I have my cute little sneakers with this outfit, and then when I get to wherever I'm getting to, I will change out and wear my heels. It does not have any shoes at the bottom. Am I particular about that? Not necessarily, but the leather is very smooth and so it is prone to scratches. How's the leather? Soft, gorgeous, plush calf leather, gorgeousness, but it is prone to scratch. So let us have some details about this fabulous bag. It retails, because I'm in the United Kingdom, it retails for £695. counts. And the style number, I'll put all of this for you. The measurements, the length is 12.25, the height is 11.75, the width is 7.75. It's got a detachable, as we can see, detachable leather strap, and that is 9.75 drop. It's got an inside pocket and it's a Kisslock closure. The large Kisslock bag is based on the cash and carry from 1969, an archive style. Oh wow, I did not know that. An archive style designed by Coach's first lead designer, Bonnie Cashin, reimagined as a spacious carryall that buttery, soft, glove and tanned leather silhouette features our iconic Kisslock closure, inspired by vintage coin purses, an inside zip pocket to organize essentials, and detachable leather strap. And I live and I love everything about it. It is just so adorable. Again, this comes in pink, and it comes in black, and it also comes in brown. One of my favorite bags that you are going to see me carrying throughout this summer. In fact, I haven't even taken off the little gold in zip tag here. If I can just pull it off. Yeah, there you go. It's got the little zip pull here, and you just open it. I've got some little stuff here as well, Coach, and then little Coach, how to take care of your bag. I just love it. And I said to myself, I haven't done any fashion in a while, so let's get back into it, my darlings. And then you have the Coach tags here, which is really adorable, really cute. And then you can also add tassels, little stuff onto the bag. I don't know if I will yet. I just really love the beauty of it, and it's very light. That's another thing. It is super light. It also has Coach here at the bottom, and the stitching is absolutely pristine. And then you got a little tag here as well, the Coach logo. And let us see where it's made. It is made in Vietnam. Made in Vietnam. Little tag right there, and I love it. Absolutely beautiful. Ula, thank you so very much. I don't know how you got this, because it is sold out everywhere. Sold out absolutely everywhere. But Mama got it for her 56th birthday, and I live and love. I am wearing a beautiful lip pencil by Juvia's Place. We're going to have some makeup. In my 50s, I'm wearing much less, and I find that I look fresher with less makeup and just really soft looks. So I'm wearing a Juvia's Place lip pencil. Let me get it. Juvia's Place pencil, and it's called Love Me Back. I absolutely dig it. It's a beautiful pink, and I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this episode. It's different, isn't it? Isn't it different for a change? And let me know, guys, if you want me to do stuff like this. I really don't mind. I'm looking forward to it. Something fun. And just look, I can just crunch my bag like this. You can wear it in different ways, but I really love it like this. Like, my God, what are you wearing, Fooms? And I just say, I'm wearing my Coach Kisslock, my darlings. So lunch it is today. It's going to be very fabulous because the weather is so beautiful. And I think I'm going to pick up Adrian like this. Every once in a while, I just like to harass them. They never know what I'm up to. So, darlings, do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and let me know in the comments if you love stuff like this. And I'll do like little capsule episodes on what to wear to the office, what to wear out when you're going to lunch, when you're just running around for errands and stuff like that. If you see in the videos that I put up, I didn't have the t-shirt, but I just thought, you know, in front of you all and my younger nieces, let me be a little more decently dressed. Yes, my darlings. Yes. Okay, I love you. Have fun always, and be kind and always thoughtful and always mindful. All of my love. Bye-bye.
value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible, even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving, feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then like this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
I feel like I can pitch. There's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and yeah, it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
Yeah, it's really been a unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing up.